Hello friends, if you want to design circuit board PCB in multi-layers and single layer and watch in 3D view, so you need to just download and install CAD software Eagle. I show you how to download and install in free. So please stay watch video and never forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for never miss my another update. I weekly upload new technical videos. So let's start. Through the Google search Cadsoft Eagle download and download the Eagle by this site. If you also pay for this, it's good, but if you want to download and install, it's free. So please check this video, check the description link and download these files. Cadsoft Eagle Professional 5.7 with a Cajun license key. You just need to the install setup file, run as an administrator, okay, and setup. Click on the setup. Let's take some time. Okay, just click next. It automatically set the path. Okay, here is a click use license file. Click on the license. You can also as a run as a preview where browse the file. You can generate license key by key generator means it's a generate license key as a freeware and okay, so select install Eagle. Right. Let's go to C drive. Okay, select the Eagle, open and finish it. Create a license file, okay, and then you can browse and install license file. It's a freeware license file, and if you need to okay, so yeah, again ask for license file, so you just use the license file in extract file location. Okay, go to Eagle and Cadsoft. Here this license file use, okay, so it automatically just yes. Okay, now your Eagle is ready to use it. See the Eagle 5.7 is a professional, means it's totally useful and crack. Okay, you can create a project schematic board and add library, also update software by using another you can add more libraries by adding library process. Okay, please check the description box for that, link is given, and download, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay, thanks for watching.